Hey gut feelers, in this video you're gonna learn if apple cider vinegar is good for you. This video is for you if you want to take apple cider vinegar or you've taken it in the past and you want to know if it's really good for you, if you have gut issues, for example malabsorption, or you have skin problems, or you want to lose weight. What's really about this whole hype about apple cider vinegar. This video is also for you if you want to know how and when to take apple cider vinegar and how to do that in a safe way so you don't risk any of the negative side effects. If you stay with me till the end, I'm going to give you my best favorite apple cider vinegar alternative that is 100% safe without any negative side effects. Does that sound like a plan? If so, hit that like button under the video so I know this kind of content interests you and you want more of that. Now let's jump right in. Is apple cider vinegar healthy, yes or no? Well, there are two answers to this. Let's start with the yes part. Now, apple cider vinegar is amazing for your skin. So one thing that I like to do as a tonic for your skin, you can use that to restore the pH balance of your skin. You can do that in the face as a natural tonic, much better than any kind of creams and stuff you put on there. No toxins in there. Also, if you have any skin issues, for example acne scars, or you have dry skin, your scalp is dry, you can also massage it in the roots of the hair after showering. If you have fungus, for example toe fungus, it's good to apply it, imagine this is a foot, to apply it in between the toes here, there where it's itchy and red. And one of the cool things about apple cider vinegar externally is that it restores your pH balance of the skin, which is slightly acidic, as a natural barrier against bacteria, against viruses, and protect you from the outside. So if you're somebody who's using a lot of creams, shampoo, disinfectant at the moment, apple cider vinegar is really good to restore the pH balance of your skin. Now before we come to the no part, where not to apply apple cider vinegar if you want to stay on the safe side, I want to know from you, have you heard of this apple cider vinegar hype? Have you heard, oh, you should take 2 tablespoons here? And let me know in the comments below now. Just comment with yes if you heard about this apple cider vinegar. The best thing ever, with the mother, unfiltered. Yay! Let me know in the comments below now. Now we come to the embarrassing part, at least for me. When I became a certified naturopath during that training, apple cider vinegar. Everybody was talking about apple cider vinegar, apple cider vinegar. And I also fell into this trap. I also was even recommending it, shame on me, on a YouTube video about stomach acid, how to improve your stomach acid. Huge mistake, guys. Huge mistake. I completely changed my mind for apple cider vinegar out of my own experience and also my gut feelings, really my intuition, research that I've done, and feedback from my one-on-one clients, which all confirmed that apple cider vinegar internally, not a good idea. And now I'm going to give you 3 reasons why apple cider vinegar is not a good idea to take. Reason number 1, apple cider vinegar affects your potassium levels negatively. It depletes them. Potassium is one of the most important minerals when it comes to lowering brain and nerve inflammation, recovering after exercises, so for your muscles it's really important, but also for the absorption of nutrients and to balance blood pressure issues, prevent osteoporosis for your bones is really important. Potassium is really like an all-over important mineral. This is why eating bananas is so important, because they are rich in potassium. This is going to deplete it, unfortunately. Reason number 2, apple cider vinegar is very acidic and it's not a natural food. The human body is not made for apple cider vinegar or any vinegar. The more acidity you have in your body overall, and especially in between the cells, the fluid in between the cells, the more likely you are creating an environment where pathogens, viruses, cancer cells, and even candida overgrowth is thriving. There's something much better than taking apple cider vinegar if you want to improve your stomach acid, if you want to improve absorption rates, if you want to lose weight, or if you want to regulate your blood sugar levels. Stick with me till the end, where I'm going to recommend you my best alternative for apple cider vinegar to take internally. Reason number 3 is it damages your liver long term. Now, why should you care about your liver? Because the liver is running your life. Protein synthesis, if you want to gain more muscles, care about your liver. Don't eat more protein. If your liver is healthy, it can synthesize the best, strongest proteins that you can have for muscle growth and overall well-being. Also, your liver is essential when it comes to digesting fats, and it's a 3-pound detoxing organ, one of your most important detoxing organs in your body. The thing with apple cider vinegar is acting like alcohol, irritating your nervous system. So if you have an inflamed nervous system anyway, this is just going to make it worse. But also for your liver suffers silently. So if you come right now and you tell me, well, Peggy, I've been using apple cider vinegar since weeks, months, days, years, and I didn't feel anything. Well, that doesn't mean that it's not happening anyway, because the liver is suffering silently. The liver is one of those workaholics which never show up until it's really, until they can't anymore. And then usually you get like high blood pressure because your blood is too thick and too toxic, and then people tell you, oh, you have a heart issue, when you really have an overburdened liver, or you have malabsorption, or you have bloating and gas in the intestines. 99% of that has to do with an overburdened liver. So taking care of your liver, guys, most important thing. And that's an organ that's not going to show up like, yay, I'm suffering. No, it's going to be silent suffering. Rinse and repeat 3 reasons why internally not a good idea. Number 1, apple cider vinegar negatively affects your potassium levels. It's very acidic for your body. You want to create an alkaline body so you prevent viruses, bacteria, yeast to thrive in there. And number 3, it prickles your liver. It's very toxic for your liver, and you won't even feel the effects until years and years later. Is apple cider vinegar healthy? Yes or no? Yes and no. Externally, yes. Internally, no. Quickest summary ever. Now, before we're going to come to the bonus content where I share with you my best alternative for replacing apple cider vinegar with something super body friendly and safe, I don't want to leave you hanging in there what to do after this video ends. Now, if you're suffering from any digestive issues, if you have candida overgrowth, SIBO, constipation, malabsorption, brain fog, you feel anxiety or low energy, and you're committed to finally take care of your gut health, you can get started right now. When this video ends, get my free gut repair cheat sheet that you can download on my website. The link is in the description. You can pin on your fridge. It gives you 6 tips to get started right now. So after this video ends, get the gut repair cheat sheet on my website and get started to improve your gut health. Bonus tip, there we go. Best alternative to apple cider vinegar is as easy as it gets. Lemons or limes. I've got some limes here. They are growing in Panama right now. Limes. They are very acidic when you eat them, but they are metabolized alkaline. So they are super alkalizing for the body. They are also in a natural form. They are not distilled. They have nothing to do with alcohol. Your body knows exactly what to do with it. It helps to raise your stomach acid, helps improve digestion. It's bursting with enzymes, bursting with minerals, and cleanse your body without the negative effects of our friend apple cider vinegar. Remember, if you haven't got the gut repair cheat sheet, make sure you download it right now in the description.